All right, so we got a little attempted robbing going on here, clearly. I mean, they are all over this thing. This is just a little 2-frame nuke that I was trying to do a little queen rearing in. I took 2 frames from a queen right hive. I took a frame of eggs with a little bit of brood, and then I took a frame that had some brood and food on it, and 2 to 3 frames of bees, and dropped them off in here. And everything's been going okay until today. I came out here to check. This is day 5. I was going to check and see if I've got a queen cell going in there, and this is what I showed up to. They're after it. They're not getting in there, but they're all over that seam, and they're down this seam. This external feeder, they can't get in. You'd have to come through the front of the box to get to this feeder, but they are definitely trying. There's a vent hole back here that is screened. There's a vent hole up here that's screened as well, so they can't get in any of those places, but they're trying. They're definitely trying. And this is the front entrance. I've got that tightened up. It's just one sliver of that adjuster there. I don't know that this hive is going to be making any queens. If it survives this, I'll be amazed. All right then, just thought I'd share.